Can you recall a moment when you felt unsafe as a child? Now imagine a world where every child has the knowledge and confidence to navigate through such situations. That's the world that Vedpath Educational LLP is working tirelessly to create. Based in Lucknow, Vedpath has a mission to empower children with essential body safety skills through interactive workshops. These workshops, known as Good Touch, Bad Touch, are delivered by experienced and certified trainers who are committed to creating a safe learning environment for children. The workshops aren't just lectures though, they're fun and engaging, using games, activities, and storytelling to keep children actively participating. Vedpath understands that children learn best when they're having fun, and they've tailored their workshops to ensure that each session is as enjoyable as it is educational. But Vedpath's mission doesn't stop at the school gates. They also offer sessions for parents and non-governmental organizations. These groups are given the tools and resources they need to support the children in their care, equipping them with the knowledge necessary to create a safe environment at home as well. The impact of these workshops is profound. They help schools meet child protection education requirements, which in turn enhances the school's image and attracts families. Moreover, they empower parents, giving them the confidence to support their children. But most importantly, they give children the knowledge and skills they need to stay safe. To summarize, Vedpath Educational LLP is making a difference in Lucknow. Through their Good Touch, Bad Touch workshops, they're creating a safer world for children, one workshop at a time. They're empowering children, parents, and schools, and they're doing it in a way that's engaging, fun, and effective. So remember, every child deserves to feel safe. Vedpath is working towards creating a brighter future for them. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Vedpath Educational LLP and their mission. It's through understanding and awareness that we can all contribute to a safer world for our children. Because at the end of the day, isn't that what we all want? For more information, please visit our website or call us for a free brochure and program details. Share this message with families and communities in Lucknow. Let's work together to create a safer world for our children. Contact us for more details.